Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Gmail Material Design 3 new interface in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So in early 2026, Gmail adopted the new Material Design 3 M3 expressive design system. This resulted in a more personalized, fluid, and card-based interface. The 2026 interface uses round corners, soft pastel backgrounds, and Material U, dynamic coloring that adjusts to your theme. So you can simply go ahead and use the multiple cards in a multiple different ways. So card-based layouts are there. Emails appear as a distinct rounded cards. New pill-shaped buttons and updated icons are featured, and the sidebar and search bar integrate with Gemini to summarize email threads and draft replies. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.